Hi everyone, I'm Rose here, Korean class. Today we're gonna learning the last of Hangul with consonant teeth. So we learned on the last video 타, 튀, 터, 튀, 토, and today teeth is T plus 요. Is 튀. It sounds a little bit hard, right? 튀. And writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 튀. Next one. teeth plus 우. So this is two. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. two. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. two. Next one, teeth plus U. So this is two. I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. two. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. two. Next one. teeth plus is EU. So this is t. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4. t. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. t. And last one, teeth plus E is I. So this is T. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. T. And we learned 디귿. So we're writing 디귿 is 디귿. 디귿. And we studied teeth. 하나, 둘, 셋. It looks similar, but it's different consonants. Okay? teeth. This is 디귿 and teeth. So let's have a look. These pictures. So first one, 비읍 is B and O is 보. And we learned 트. teeth plus 트. This is 보트. 보트 is just boat. 보트. And next one, here is T. And 시옷 is S. 여 is E, O, 여. T, 셔. And 치읓, CH. 으 is EU. 그래서 이거는 티셔츠. So T-shirt is just T-shirt. T-shirt in Korean is T-shirt. T-shirt. I wanna tell you guys, boat is, so we usually saying ride or take a boat. Take a boat. Take a boat is in Korean is 보트를 타다. 타다. This is verb. So 타다 means take or ride. So 보트를 타다 is take a boat. Take a boat. 보트를 타다. And wear a t-shirt in Korean is 티셔츠를 입다. 입다. Wear. Okay? So wear a t-shirt in Korean is 티셔츠를 입다. 티셔츠를 입다. Okay? So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 그럼 see you later. 다음에 봐요.